Hello everyone, this is John. Just wanted to report an extremely dangerous thing that just happened to me on my Envo D50. It was very, very scary. As you can see, the chain has popped off on this on the bike. What happened was I was crossing a 4-lane segment of roadway at around let me see here, around 7 p.m. A lot of cars going back and forth. I jutted across at a T intersection, and it was fortunate for me that I managed to look out for minimal traffic before I tried to make the crossing. Anyway, as I crossed, I had to make a quick U-turn to get back onto the section of roadway that I needed. And as that happened, this low pedal height, which I complained about earlier in a previous video, really came to bear. I'll show you the scraped pedal right there. Really dug into the asphalt as I made that U-turn. Then it kicked back at me and ended up tearing into my leg. I'll just show you what happened. It basically tore into my socks and ripped right through them. And this is what happened. That's pretty bad. And it did jar me off the bicycle seat, and I almost fell over completely. I just managed to maintain my balance before a car came within 5 feet of me. It could have been disastrous. This Envo D50, I am now very, very leery about driving it at all, because it just presents an ever-present danger in terms of having that low pedal height jam into the asphalt when you make, as in my case, a quick U-turn where you're leaning into the turn and that edge of that front pedal just grabs into the pavement. It is very dangerous for those people that have to unexpectedly make those types of maneuvers. I don't know what I'm going to do with this bike at this point. I might just sell it. This is very dangerous. This is something that I think Envo Canada should very much consider in terms of their design of this bike. This is extremely dangerous. Anyway, I hope anyone considering buying a D50, sees this and makes due consideration in terms of, if they do purchase it, to adjust their riding habits or do something about modifying the crank height. It's very dangerous with these pedals jamming into the asphalt like that. Anyway, that's it for now. Bye.